Janet Kataha Museveni najango butagamba mazima nico cyarugiriye mvuye hamwe n'endwano kandi iki kikahereza ikibina cya NRM izina ribi
kunkana manyo kumugenzire mukashishe kintu eki nominations za members of parliament ezihingwire. It was a circus, but that was because mukanga kuba mazima mwayanga kukora umusinge mwayanga kuba besugwa.
Abembembezi Janet Kataha Museveni nahingabo bona bari mu bebembezi kwatanisa na buri omwe kandi bakahereza abantu obuhereza burungi.
A nation is exactly like building a family home. When you refuse to unite at the family level, you cannot build a home, and that applies to a nation also. When people refuse to unite and work together, they cannot build a nation.
Dr. Tango Doi mukuru w'akakiko k'ebyobururu mu kibina cya NRM nayenda bebembezi bona bakore cyone kirukubasika kugarukanisa abantu bwanyuma y'imihonda n'erijuro mu karuru aka entebeje twirene hakanurwa etwire tushabe Agnes.
After every election, try to bring the people together. Because this election we are going to repeat had divided this place.
Mukuru w'entebe ya katano aba district ya Ntungamo Samuel Muchunguzi rwa Kigoba yasima obusinge obumama Janet Kataha Museveni obwaresere mu karuraka akabe karemero kumara obwire buringwa.
Nabwete Ntungamo we are ready kandi ninyesiga aka echeki cyasangura byona ebi byazeki ebi byagambirwe nebiri byabiro na nabamwe twatwabire bavuzwe.
Sebastian Bitaroho abirayesimbira hantebeji nagira ngo natware tushazuremo abakuru bekibina kandi yayongera yagira ngo naza kuguma nakora buri kikubasika abo burungi bw'ekibina
yakizekera kandi tuwede kuteza kora nawe abo kunaheza gamba na first lady ndo gamba n'abantu nere buri myanya nyingi yamuze myanya nyingi icamo muri buri kwamurayiza ekibina
wose ingera karuraka Agnes Tushabe nayenda abanyakibina cya NRM kugaruka kukwatanisa bakakorera hamwe kandi ubutosha kora cyone kirukubasika kurebuka ngo habaho bururu bwo businge
kandi garche nsime first lady chairperson witabwa NRM Ntungamo district okubija kandi akablessinga akaruraka kutwaterera izoba kandi kagira oburinganiza kagira mazima kuni chanchi basika mazimo mwihanga ryo natukatiro bururu bwa NRM omuringo gutwatera makarureri izoba
kugira desires ngo kuzija Tushabe Agnes iwe yihayo bururu obwingi obukwingana bishatu 97 kandi ninyenda kumudikiraringa kubanwe ya twara position age ya secretary for finance aha mainstream ya Ntungamo district. Congratulations Agnes. Congratulations.
Gasha kwa Samira Humuza.